Good Monday morning. Here we are at the avocado tree, and we have a lot of new growth. Unfortunately, we've had a lot of wind, and I was out of town for a few days and came back and found a very unfortunate thing happen. This particular graft here was going crazy. It was the star here on the show, and now it is mostly torn off of the base plant. I was a little hesitant to cut back the avocado wood because it was so soft. Not sure how it was going to heal or anything, but this is much worse than what any cut could do. So basically, this part of the plant might not survive at all, but it definitely is a case of cutting back all of the growth that I can and see if it will recover. My main concern with this is where it joins to the plant itself, the base plant. It's really wimpy. There were 3 grafts that I put on this tree. This graft that's on this particular shoot was green for a very long time. It finally died, so I'm going to cut that one off too. And with all the wind that I've been having lately, this has to get trimmed back. We don't want the same thing to happen to this graft as that one. So I'm just going to take a lot of this off, actually. So hopefully that will help this particular part of the tree survive.